This is a charming bungalow nestled on an oversized irregular lot that is amazing. The home has a new central air conditioner unit, cathedral ceiling, inside laundry, kitchen with granite counters and all tile floors. There is a structural problem in the kitchen floor that is sagging and will need to be corrected, so cash-only contracts. Inspections are welcome, but the seller will not do any repairs. This home is priced way below market to compensate for any repairs. You will not be able to find another home like it at this price on a huge corner lot. A recent termite inspection was done and it was clear. A copy is available.